Brett again. I wanted to show you what I look at with real estate for my clients. This particular client wanted me to look at this house to get a general idea what it costs to fix up for a rental or a flip. So he hasn't decided exactly what he's really going to do with it. What I do is I go through the house. For example, there's new windows here throughout the house. That's a big plus. And also, the kitchen is decent for a rental, but needs remodeled for a flip. Also in this carpeted area here, this ugly carpet, you have nice wood floors through the whole house here. So we can refinish those you got to do a rental or flip. And you can see here some people have been here obviously looking at the plumbing. That's not a huge cost actually. Maybe you want to put a new toilet in. There's a laundry. Tub needs work, but nothing major. New plugs and switches. And again, you have nice oak wood flooring in each bedroom. So you take all this stuff into consideration for the cost of a house, because it's really important to know that as an investor. If you're going to make money, you don't want to get into, we're not going to catch everything, but anything major should be covered. With a seasoned agent that's been doing it I've been doing it since 1985. This is a Tran unit. It was put in June of 2008. Electrical, plumbing, the wall looks good, has a little crack there, but doesn't look like anything. And although there's your copper drain line. What's good about this house too is you have a full bathroom down here in the basement, huge factor. Then you have a finished area over here, dark, I won't take you over there, in a bedroom. But when you finish going through all this, the roof's good, needs a new garage door and some other stuff, but you need to figure out all the cost that it'll be to get this house up to par to rent or to flip. So it's a nice neighborhood. It's in Lyndhurst, and you could do either or with this particular property. That's the key to buying real estate, is knowing where you're buying and how good it is. So you can see that the neighborhood's pretty nice. So if you need an agent that's been in the business since 1985, understands, done over 1,000 homes from top to bottom, give me a call. I'm Brett. I'm Sensor 21, 216-703-5740, 216-703-5740. In Phoenix, Arizona, I'm with EXP. Do a lot of business there also. 602-363-6551. 602-363-6551. I got to get all the numbers put together over to the client I'm meeting with here in a little bit. Talk to you soon. Give me a call. Free consultation. Bye.